Hello everyone, welcome to Gus 2 Wheeling out here on the Honda Super Cub. Got over 1,000 miles on the Super Cub. We're out here on Route 7. This road here is 55 miles an hour, but as you can see, they go faster. So we're going to stay in the granny lane. We're about 55 miles an hour right now. We're 60 now. It's because we're going downhill a little bit. It's the uphill that's the problem. Because you start to go uphill a little bit, it drops when you're at highway speeds. But yeah, we got it pegged at 60 miles an hour. So we're going to hang out here in the granny lane for a little bit. That way let the faster vehicles go by. But yeah, I love it. It has surprised me in a lot of ways. Just fun to ride. Takes me back to my buddies back in high school that he had, but his was like a either a 50 or a 90 cc. This is a 125 fuel injected engine, but it's stable. It's nice. I thought, you know, with the thinner tires, not at all. It's fine. Oh, look at them birds up in the sky there. How they gotta be bumping into each other. Who knows? But they seem to be doing a good job flying as a group. All right. So that was a little bit of highway. Oh, it was one of them BMW GSAs. All right. So, I mean, not bad on Route 7, a little highway action. I know not to get on the interstate, that's for sure. That's not doing that. And we're also where the Super Cub does really good. It's right around here on speeds like, you know, 45, 35 around town. It's excellent for that. And just sips the fuel. That's a good thing because the gas tank's only 1 gallon. Well, 1.004. But 1 gallon. But yeah, for roads like this, 45 miles an hour, it does real well. Really good, very economical. I mean, gosh, I think I've paid, the most gas I put in it was like $2.84. I'm putting in like, you know, it's blinking now. I gotta stop and get some gas. And when it's blinking, you know, I'll go put gas in it and I'll put like 0.74, you know, 3/4 of a gallon. And it's like I've never had to put like a gallon in it. So, and I haven't tested, you know, here where it's the last fuel bar is blinking on and off. I don't know, I've done 10, 15, 20 miles at the most. You know, I just don't want to push it. But yeah, very, very pleased with it. I mean, I've had it like 5 months, over 1,000 miles. And I mean, it's so easy to hop on and like go to the store, you know, go to Walgreens, go get a haircut, get on the Super Cub. Go over visit mom and dad, get on the Super Cub. I mean, it's just so easy to just get on and run your errands and do all that stuff. Step over here, fill up my 1 gallon gas tank. Oh yeah, this has got some shade. Alright, let's get some gas. Easy, easy. Okay. So that's what we put in. $2.63. 0.724. But that's another thing. That's what's so good, having the centrifugal clutch. Just shift with your foot, semi-automatic. Don't have to hold a clutch lever. When you come to a stop, it's not like it just stays in gear. It doesn't stall out, nothing, you know. I mean, we're sitting right here right now in first gear, and it's running. Really cool. Now, this does have the heel toe shifter, and of course I've been used to that with my VTX 1300 for all these years. That I thought I would be using the heel part on this, but really I'm using just the foot shifter, you know, the front shifter. I don't use the heel that much. Yeah, that Camaro. That Camaro don't get the gas mileage this does. But it does go a whole lot quicker. Yeah, so 50 miles an hour on this road, we were doing 50, and the incline like this, we're already starting to incline, and we're at 45. Straightens out here a little bit, still staying at 45. Now going up this hill, it's dropping below 45. Let me drop into third. So 38 miles an hour. But it's gaining now. So yeah, it'll, depending upon the hill, it'll drop 5 to 10 miles an hour. That's why I got to do some more research on that front tooth sprocket. I mean, it doesn't bother me. It's just, the only thing I'm concerned is behind me, you know. Don't want the car to run you over. So, but this person behind us, he's got proper following distance, so yeah, we're back up to 52. But just so nice in the turns.
1,000-mile review of the Honda Super Cub. Fun machine. Really, still after 1,000 miles, enjoy it just as much as the first day I bought it. It's just a blast to ride. It's a whole lot of fun, and I'm just amazed at the gas mileage you get on one of these. It's awesome. You know how you see videos of 5 things you hate about a certain vehicle? You know, you see a lot of those videos on YouTube. I don't have 5 things I hate about this, but I do have one thing that I hate about this, that it only has the center stand. Doesn't have a kickstand, side stand. I do see they have it available OEM. I see it on eBay, but it's like overseas you got to get it from, because I went to my local Honda dealer, and the only one accessory they have for the Honda Super Cub is the chrome rear rack, which I didn't get. I got the GV SR 1168 rack. So that's all they have. And I have found some websites that sell accessories for the Super Cub. So there's OEM kickstand, and there's aftermarket ones. So I'm gonna have to figure out which one I'm gonna do, but I gotta get that on there. But yeah, that's the only thing. Thinking later on I might get the top case and put a one of those top cases that got the mono lock where it just locks it into place and stuff, in case I'm going somewhere, like if I ever think about going on a little long distance trip. We'll see. But I do like the wooden crate that I put together and painted, and I think it looks really good. And oh, also, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I got for my birthday, my wife got me this seat cover from Cheeky Seats. It's a caramel brown color. It's got an elastic cord, so all you do is, see, there's the gray seat. That's what you get when the color of the seat is when you buy the Super Cub. It's like a two-tone, it's like a silver and gray. So it's got this elastic cord that you just tighten it up, and there you go. I'll try to remember to post a link down below of their website. They have many colors to choose from, and they've got black with red stitching. They've got red seats, but I kind of like the caramel brown. Gives it a kind of a more of a vintage look to me, but really like it. But yep, that's it. Fun machine to ride. If you're thinking about getting one, go on down to your Honda dealer and demo ride one like I did, because it impressed me a lot. It's a lot of fun. It's light and nimble. If you're starting out, you know, learning to ride a motorcycle, I mean, it's got that semi-automatic, so you don't have a clutch lever. It's got the centrifugal clutch. Easy to take care of, low maintenance. Just wonderful to ride. All right, well, I hope you all enjoyed the 1,000-mile review video of the Honda Super Cub. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Click like on the video. Post any comments down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, whether you got a Super Cub, Harley, Honda, KTM, whatever. Gus Two Wheeling would love to have you. Y'all take care, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye now.